So just to set the record straight before I answer this, I have to say that renting is not throwing money away, and that is going to drive most people crazy because that's how we've been taught to feel. Like, we all think buying a house is the cornerstone of smart investing and adulting. But maybe you do want to buy a house, and maybe it is the right decision for you. As far as how you know when you're ready, there's a couple things you want to think about. The first thing is, have you actually saved up a down payment? Sounds obvious, but oftentimes we find that people haven't thought about that yet. And next, you want to make sure from an income and cash flow perspective, you actually qualify for the mortgage to purchase your home. And then the last thing is, once you've saved up for the down payment, once you know you can pre-qualify for the mortgage, are you going to be in this house stuck eating ramen noodles every night because you can't afford to do anything else? We call it being house poor. And we're not talking about the good ramen, we're talking cup noodles here.